Welcome people, welcome viewers. This is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like the video and subscribe right now.
Alright, so just carry on one side and take off that. Carry on one side and take it off. Carry on one side and take it off. You get it off? Hold on. Who have a knife, cut off the back of the floor. Now somebody have to do it for you.
Yo people, viewers, remember it is important to like the video and subscribe, Like the video and subscribe. Yeah, mama, at the end of the party, catch her practice, you understand? And it look like she have a gap between her teeth. You understand? So the little blue thing there on the buckle of the car stuck between the little gap there and can't come out. And everybody I laugh far now. Everybody who was entertained a few seconds ago, I laugh far. No, them a laugh far. You hear a woman say, "I cocky your suck." No, she say, "Who they want suck?" But yo, I have to big up the selector, the selector help her out. You understand? The selector is doing a lot. You dig? Big up the selector. And also, if you look on her outfit, you understand, she have a little stock in there where pay money down in that. So, her work, she come here for work. And you see the type of clothes that she in her. She not come for jerk, she come for work, and she work the intro buckle, tongue in her throat, till it's stuck in her teeth or pan her teeth, whatever I don't want to call it, whatever I don't want to classify it. Yo, me is a man but I love to understand why women do them thing. Yeah. Why women do them thing. Yeah. You get what I say? When women do them something, you have some big idiot, Don't you feel like, at least, I don't know if I can't speak for other man, you understand? I know for myself. I have some little clown, some big idiot. You understand? Fuck, when come and him show back up on the blood class silver party for money. But if you do your thing privately, still that different, you understand? You know, make a fool of yourself. You do that for your man alone, that different. You understand? Me give you respect. That's stuff, and you have pride in yourself. You know, you not go out the road, go do them things. Then me give you respect there. So, but if you go outside, you understand at the party, everybody you see in a video and I take picture, you have you as a big clown or do whatever you do. I don't rate you. But yeah, I don't say too much things because I can't say everything I want to say because a whole heap of people that can offend, you understand? I don't like offend people. You understand? A whole heap of people that can offend, you understand? I'm really talk everything I want to say, so I'm going to shut up my mouth, you understand? Now, remember, it is always important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like the video and subscribe to YIP Verified YouTube channel. Like the video, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. I have a bag of video I go drop. Stay tuned. Big up on yourself.